Not me, but the 10th Assembly. We have to work as a group. We have to work as people. But I have only one thing that I think that we must do. And Nigerians need to see an independent assembly. I do not think that Nigerians saw the 9th Assembly as quite independent. As much as we had some legislative things that we did, I think that we need to, this time, show Nigerians that we are very independent from the executive. That is the only way that we can guarantee this our democracy. Well, the priority for the 10th Assembly is the people of Nigeria. The elections and the fallout from the election has shown that there is need for Nigerians to be Nigerians, for the Assembly to put Nigerians first in everything that they do. That is all. That is the desideratum.
Okay, can you just tell us?
Well, what really happened really was that it was a nice election. It was going normally until we saw the Obi-Dati wave in the southeast, and it almost consumed everybody. And it showed me the love that our people have for me, because I was able to survive that wave. Otherwise, I probably would not have been here today if not for the love of our people. And so I owe them a debt of gratitude.
Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.